Okay, today I will talk about digital image processing in convolution here. Uh, Convolution in digital image processing, it's for create the image or manipulation image. We can give the blur effect or like give the image like looks more clearly, I mean more sharpness, okay, with several filter like Gaussian or edge detection. Okay, let's try. Here we have image here. This we have our image here, and this is our filter, our kernel here. What we have to do is try to multiply our object with our kernel here, okay, and then this is our result like this, and do the same thing again with another pixel. Okay, let's try here. We know that kernel have the center number here. I just highlight with the yellow color here, and then our kernel put in our object here, our image, I mean. So I just block first here using, I think using the red color. Okay, let's do this again. Okay, perfect, like that. And then we know that this one our center, and we can see that 8 is our center, and then our result I just put here. Okay, I just put here. Okay, this is our center. First thing to do is try to create a formula like this. Okay, I just create this 4. Let's multiply it 1, okay, by 1 here, and then press F4 to lock here, and then plus 7 here, with 7 here, and multiplied by 1, and lock plus 1 multiplied by 1 and log, and just do the same again. 3 here multiplied by 1 and log, okay, and 8 here multiplied by 1 here and log, plus here, and 5 multiplied by 1 log, and then plus 2 multiplied by 1 here and log, and plus 2 multiplied by 1 log, plus 8 multiplied by 1 log here, and we can see this is our result. And moving to the next pixel here, okay, to the next pixel here, okay, 5. So basically it's I just try to back to normal. Okay, and change the color to black. Okay, this one. So we know that like this here. Okay, this, okay, move once, okay, and then so we have the formula, so just drag here 1 2 3, okay, here, and then next just drag here, okay, 1 2 Okay, it's done. Okay, this is how to calculate the conclusion with Excel. And now let's try create our image using our image with convolution technique using Python. Let's try. Okay, now let's start to create our image manipulation with convolution with Python. First of all, try to install Python and then OpenCV library first. So let's start to our new directory here, new folder. So I just create the blur image and then double click on the path here and type cmd, press enter, and then try to type Jupyter notebook here, and let's wait. Okay, and create a new file here, file, and then choose Python and just give the name of file image with blur filter, and then let's next step is try to import CV2. We try to import our OpenCV library. Just hold Control and press enter. See, this is our indicator in here, and this we can do using this button. Just press, okay, run. This is counting, okay, and then if you want to know OpenCV version, try to type print and cv2 underscore, version underscore double and hold control and press enter. We use the OpenCV 4.5.3 version here, and let's try to import our NumPy, because we want to calculate our matrix, our array here, NumPy. So create alias to make a sort np here and control and press enter here. And next step is let's try to call our file. I just create our variable, our image here, and then just go cv2 and then I just press tab and image read here, and then let's put image in our directory. I just put image, try to use this. I just paste here and see, it's not too big, it's not too large image, small image, okay, the doctor.jpg, and then the doctor tab, okay. And if you want to show the image, just call like this, result cv2 IMSO, and then call our image like this, and don't forget to give cv2 with key, Okay, make sure we use cv2.wait key. Okay, and then press run or control and press enter here. I am so missing. I am so argument. Okay, I am so our image here, and I just okay. This is, I just forget image result. Our caption here. Okay, we can see this is image result here. Okay, let's try to convert from with color and to grayscale image, from color image to grayscale. I just close, and then we can put comma and using 0 here. Okay, and let's run again, control enter here. Okay, okay, basically it's converting image from coloring image to grayscale here. Next step is we want to implement a convolution, okay, in our image. Create another variable kernel here. So I just find kernel image processing here and click. Let's try to open this one, Boxplore here. Okay, our image will like this, but in grayscale color. Boxplore image. Okay, now cv2 and then not cv and p of float 32 here, and okay, let's create our array here. So the kernel value is this one. Okay, 1.1. okay, and then again we do the same thing again, and we know that we divide it by 9. Okay, and next step is try to implement our conclusion. Just create another variable, another variable here. Just create conclusion here. So I just use cv2 and filter 2D here, and let's call our image and -1, and put the kernel here. Okay, and it's not finished yet. Try to create another variable result2 here. I'm just using np hashtag here, and okay, our image, and just give the cons. Okay, like this, and let's change this our image to result and control enter. Okay, see, this is our result here. So basically our image will give it the box blur effect. Okay, like this. This is a simple source code, so we can put another matplotlib or subplot, whatever here. So I just using the simple code here. Okay, so we have two image with the different type. Okay, this is our original image with grayscale color, and this is with the filtering conclusion, like filter effect, blur filter effect. Okay, thanks. Let's you try just like this. Don't forget to install Python and OpenCV library. Thanks.